Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. So today our topic is marriage, which is very useful if you're living in China or you're going to get married in China. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestion, just comment below. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first we should get familiar with these two new characters. 婚姻, both flat tone. 婚, read after me. 婚姻, 婚姻, 婚姻. So this means marriage. And then how to get married. 如何结婚? 如 means like. 何 means how. So like how, this is how we express how, okay? 如何结 means get. 婚 we have learned, here it means marriage. 婚. So 结婚 means get married. How to get married. How to get married. 如何结婚 Read after me. 如何结婚如何 And to seek marriage. 征婚 This sounds kind of strange because nowadays not many people seek marriage deliberately because it happened much more natural than before. Like marriage is kind of traditional at the older time. Like people publish their personal information, like how many salary I got and what kind of girl and boy I want. And I think nowadays not many people do this, right? So anyway, we should learn this word because you might see 征婚 information online or in your daily life, so you should know these characters. 征 means recruit, find. 征婚 means seek marriage. 征婚 And matchmaker, 媒人 both second tone, 媒人 And to introduce, and this is a very important word, 介绍 both first tone, 介绍 What about to introduce a book? 介绍一本书 We have learned it. 一本书介绍一本书 And then to meet a prospective mate for marriage. It's just like it's kind of like go on a date, but the prerequisite is that the one that you go on date with is someone you want to get married. So that is 相亲 both flatten, and go on a date. It can be with your girlfriend and with your someone you want to get married. 约会 that is go on a date. 约 flatten, 会 first tone, 约会约 means make a deal, and 会 means to meet. So you make a deal to meet each other. It's like date. 约会 And to be in relationship, 谈恋爱This word literally means talk about love, but it means like be in relationship. Like 我 me and 我和他 him he 我和他在 is 在 means is 我和他在谈恋爱 means I and he is in a relationship. So to visit the parents. If you get married in China, and this one is the most important part, like you should visit each other's parents. And it might be a task because the traditional Chinese parents are kind of strict. They have some own understanding of marriage. Like they will ask about like your partner's salary and what he got, what she got. And it sounds kind of hard, right? But it's getting better anyway. 拜见 means to meet. 拜见父母 we have learned it. 拜见父母 And then to get engaged, 订婚 订婚订 first turn 订婚 and to buy a house. Whether if you buy or not, let's just learn this. 买房买 third turn 买房 second turn 买房买房 and to furnish 装修装修 both flat tone 装修 read after me. And to decorate a new house, 布置新房布置 both first tone 布置新房布置新房 And then to register marriage 登记结婚 So here we just learn new words 登记 register 登 first tone 记 fourth tone 登记登记登记 And then to hold a wedding 举办婚礼 So the new word 举办举 third tone 举办举办举办 Read after me. And then husband 丈夫丈夫丈夫丈 fourth tone 夫 flat tone light tone sorry 丈夫 and wife 妻子妻子妻子妻子 And then after get marriage 婚后生活it literally means like life after get marriage 婚 we have learned marriage 后 means after so take care of the order 婚后生活 means life 生活 flat tone second tone 生活婚后生活 And then to go on a honeymoon 度 means enjoy like go on 蜜月 honeymoon 蜜 means honey 月 moon so it's directly borrowed from English 度蜜月度蜜月 both forced tone 度蜜月 And to return to the bride's home like this is very important in traditional Chinese society like you should go back to the girl's family because you know most of the time girls are taken to be more fragile or something they will miss their home more anyway no matter if it's true or not this one is very important in traditional Chinese society it have changed nowadays anyway we have to learn this 回娘家回娘家回娘家 Remember 娘 and 家 both are light tone 娘家回娘家 And then to celebrate an anniversary 庆祝 celebrate remember this one 庆祝 both first tone 庆祝庆祝 and 周年 anniversary 周 flat tone 年 we have learned it second tone 庆祝周年 read after me 庆祝周年 And then to be pregnant 怀孕 pregnant 怀孕怀孕怀 second tone 孕 first tone 怀孕怀孕 And then to give birth to a child 生孩子生孩子生孩子孩子 we have learned means child and 三口之家 a family of three 三口三 means three 口 means mouth so how many people there are how many mouth we have so it's 三口之家三口之家 and an only child 独生子女独生子女独生子女独 means single 生 means birth here we have it and 子 son 女 daughter and to grow up 成长成长 成长. Read after me. 成 second tone. 长 third tone. 成长. And 抱孙子, here we didn't say 有孙子 have. We use 抱 hold 孙子 to maybe to express like how much you love your grandchild. And most of the time, your grandchild are young, or small baby. 抱孙子抱孙子 And to quarrel. In every marriage, I think people do quarrel. So 吵架吵架吵架. Read after me. 吵架. And then extramarital affair. No matter if it happens or not, let's start it. 婚外情. 婚 marriage, 外 outside of it. 外 and 情 means relationship. 婚外情婚外情婚外情. And then to get divorced, again, no matter if it happened or not, 离婚. 离 means leave. 婚 marriage, so you leave a marriage, it means divorce. 离婚离婚离婚. So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new expression and new characters. I hope you can enjoy this class and do some reviews. And if you're interested in our channel, please subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, just comment below. And don't forget to go through our website and check the homework. Goodbye.